I was gonna make a video about Grok today, but right when I pressed record, GPT 5.6, it hit my Codex. Let's talk about it. Now, talk about Codex for once, right? They're renaming Codex to the GPT app, or also known as the GPT Codex app. I think they're trying to bring everything together, very similar, similar to what Anthropic is doing with Claude Code, Claude Code. ChatGPT is kind of trying to do the same thing right here. And I don't have an issue with it. I honestly have been using Codex more than Claude Code. I use Claude and Opus 4.8 and Fable right now to do a lot of my agentic work, to be my orchestrator to my agents. But when it comes to like that hard work of creating an app or creating a game like I did recently, or tuning a model or deploying a model, Codex has been my go-to. Setting goals with Codex is better, in my opinion, than Claude Code as well. And then last but not least, the fact that you can hold on to your resets, that is unbeatable. If you don't know what that is, guys, you know how everybody does resets, where they reset your usage if there is something going on? Well, Codex has this where, like, basically when they do the reset, you get to hold it in your pocket. So maybe you were at 90% and they did a reset and it went, typically it would go back to 100. No, you can keep that reset in your pocket, use your 90, and then pull that out for later on. It's like a big Joker card, if you're playing spades or something. I love it. I love it. With that said, let's check out the benchmarks, all right? I love the benchmarks, okay? So they just dropped, and if you don't know, there's 3 models of this particular 5.6, 3 different tiers: Luna, Terra, and Soul. Soul being the max, and Soul is right underneath Fable. Now, people are talking about the tier system that 5.6 and, GPT is going through, but when you really look at it, it's kind of the same thing that we've seen going with Anthropic, with Fable, Opus, Sonnet. I don't even know if they're doing Haiku at this point. Have they even done that? I don't know. Same thing, similar to other models that have the Pro model like DeepSeek, and then you have your Flash model. They're just taking that in and breaking it up. I honestly think this is cool now, but I do see this being potentially the point where we talk about like where money is going to give you the best AI. Now that's a whole different video I'll talk about down the road. But with that said, it's funny that this dropped and Anthropic decides to extend Fable for 5 more days now. They know what's going on. And with that said, though, they're going to extend it for 5 more days and then make it become a API that you have to pay for, where 5.6 is ready to go. So like even right now in my Codex app, I can go to the model and choose it. And I can go, like, look at that. I can go to any type of wherever I want to go, medium, I can drop it down, or I can go to Terra, I can go to Luna, whatever I need for my specific need, it's all there, and it's not on a 5 days, 7 days. So Anthropic's going to have to get Fable deployed out as a normal model and a part of their system very, very soon, and get with the picture, because right now the Terra model on ChatGPT is going to give me that Opus 4.8 type of intelligence, but it's probably going to be at a fraction of a cost. Codex's prices are, especially going through their subscription, are phenomenal. Looking at Terra as well, and Terra, wow. So this is their coding, right? So Terra and Soul's coding is better than Fable. Even 5.5 is right there. Luna is lacking behind Sonnet, and then Agentic, one of my favorites, right? The Agentic life of it. 5.6 is beating Opus. So if you're someone that utilizes Opus 4.8 like me, and your main orchestrator is running through Claude or running off of Opus, you might could give them a new brain today. You might can give them 5.6 and let them go. That's another video I got to think about, because, man, that's just, ChatGPT is starting to inch its way back up into my heart, to where I might not have Anthropic as a subscription service that much longer. Really, the one main reason I even do it, to be honest, at this point, is because I got a little bit of sentimental value for my orchestrator. But I think I can bring my subscription of my OAuth on ChatGPT to Claude Code and then just swap his brain, right? Let me know down below in the comment section about that. So with that said, obviously this thing is just, it's got all the bells and whistles. It's got all the bells and whistles, man. Let's do a little bit of fun with it real quick. Let's just test it out. Let's just see, like, we'll give each model, make it create like an HTML lava lamp or something, right? That's one of the things that people like to see. Let's see how the UI is for it, right? Okay, so we're gonna go with Luna first. Make a HTML lava lamp that has lava motion and particles. As you rotate it, the lava moves. All right. We got Luna there. We're gonna do one with Terra, and then we're gonna do one with Soul. Currently got them on medium. I probably should have put them on high. I'll do another one. We'll do it like another one where I'll do it like high, right? I want to test it out and see the difference of that as well. If you haven't already, go and subscribe to me or follow me, my bad, over on my Twitter at Tech2Wild. We talk all day, all night about this, just AI, local AI. I wanted to do something different today, talk about some actual fun releases, some models dropping. Grok is another one I want to get on because it's a lot of work cases that we could do with that and talk to you guys about. And I can share with you guys with Grok as well. And but this right here is more fresh. Like I'm literally just getting hands on with it right now as we speak. So this is more so like a, oh man, it just launched. Looking at some of the other stats though, as you can see, Terra is at 17 cents and Answer is 8 cents. Reasoning is 21. So there you go. And you can see, look at Fable. Oh my God, $2.75. That's the part that makes ChatGPT just win, especially on the API end, bro. $1 versus $2, right? And that's the highest form. Okay, so hold on. We got Terra, Soul. Okay, let's see how it looks, guys. I want to do one more after this. So Terra is the low tier one. Or no, my Luna's the low tier one. So let's do Luna first. All right, Luna's right here. So this is the lava lamp, slow motion warm light. I mean, it's a little, yeah. I mean, it's moving, it's globbing, but it ain't the best design. Yeah, feel me? All right, let's look at Terra. What the hell? Yeah, I don't know about these designs, man. Maybe my prompt is wrong, bro. Maybe my prompt is off a little bit. So this one's getting in here. Okay, what we got? So the site's taking shape here. While we wait on this one, I want to make one more. We're gonna bring this effort up to extra high. Make a snow globe, the New York skyline. Snow falls, snow is inside of the globe, and there is a button to shake it. When shook, snow moves around. Santa Claus is on the top of the skyline over the city. It is a Christmas themed snow globe. I know my spelling is all crap. Forgive me. I'm just typing, bro. I'm just typing. All right, so we got that. Let's do that. Still waiting on Soul here. So we got Ultra on Terra. I'm using my usage up, man. So we're gonna wait here. We're still waiting on Soul Medium for this. So he's working on the physics. So we'll see how that goes. But I will get right back to you guys when we come back. I was gonna say also though, with the chatgpt.com app that also has the ability to change your models and all that. It says leaving 5.4 is leaving on July 23rd. Wow. Still have 5.3 though, but you have the ability to go to Soul. Let me see. I just realized it. So is it only Soul? Because I don't see I only see Souls available. Don't see Terra Luna. I thought I did though. 5.5 instant. Yeah, I don't know. And then we got here Claude Work. ChatGPT Work is getting these things done. Content creators use ChatGPT Work to produce videos, evaluate local AI systems, and even organize long-term personal projects more efficiently. Catch up on Slack. Okay. So this has the option. Okay, so right here you have the option on this new work to do Terra, Soul Light, Soul Medium, High, Extra High, and then Ultra. What the hell? Come on, brother. Supposed to be what are you doing? It's embarrassing itself. Okay, so while we wait then, I don't know what the smartest model is doing right now, but Luna's got the globe. Maybe I'm asking too much, man. Santa Claus out there floating on your head though. All right, then we got, let's see what this one is. This is Terra. Did I not do like the Ultra or something? Okay, I did the highest. Okay, this is the lowest one. So let's see what this is. Okay, Santa Claus, New York Christmas 2026. I didn't ask for a 3D spear, so I gotta be honest, like with it overall, I can't be 100% mad. Yo, Santa's just chilling on the top of the Empire State though. Like what the hell? And I still don't know what this is about, okay? So I just sent another one to Soul and told it to make HTML lava lamp game that has lava motion and particles. As you rotate the lava lamp, it moves. So let's see if this can, it says I'm using a site skill to build interactive lamp in the in-app browser skill to test its motion rotating. Okay. Still don't get what this is, man. And I just want to say, guys, this is my first time literally touching the app. This is not a full like review. It's kind of like this hands-on first time, first impressions. I haven't put it to an agent's brain or any of that of this nature yet, but I'm literally about to do this right now, actually. So let me see. Let me see if it's available in Hermes. It is. I honestly might not even use the Soul one. I might not need it. Okay, so wait, we got this right here. Okay, interactive lamp study. What does this mean? All right, so we did deploy it. Hermes does have it available now, so you can go ahead and do that. Just make sure you update it. Seems like the context has jumped up on it for Hermes, at least to 372,000. It might be able to do 1 million also. I gotta check, but it is there. You have the option to do all those. And to be honest, man, like I said, I have Anthropic 4.8 doing a lot of work from an agentic skill standpoint. I mean, right here, Soul, I'm basically I'm on Fable type of task, like the level of Fable right here. But then once we revert back to Fable being removed, I can drop down to Terra and still have, solid responses. And even on a 5.6, you're still doing good, but you're on that grok level at that point. At the end of the day, these are all benchmarks, but something worth noting and thinking about. Luna is, though, behind even 5.5 high, so I just don't see any reason why to go that. I mean, this is a way more affordable route, I guess, at this point, but it lags behind 5.5 high. Still waiting on Soul here, man. Don't know what's going on. All right, y'all. So we finally got this to work. Let's go ahead. Can we like get the lava to pop up? Is there lava in here? All right, so we got something going, bruh, but there's no lava, bruh. There is no lava flowing. So I'm trying to help you out, man. Now this one is building a game, but I'm trying to keep it all there so y'all don't, you know what I'm saying? So nobody thinks that we trying to make this thing look perfect. But this does look good though. When we initially saw it, it was actually flowing. I guess they made like a thumbnail to the game or something like that. So I also, while waiting, I made Tetris, made it make me 3D Tetris too. So let's see. A 3D Tetris though. This is different. Okay. I don't know if I ever asked it. Like, I know I'm thought about like 3D Tetris. I don't think I've ever like 3D Tetris is different. Like from an angle, that 3D angle, right? Sorry, I'm a little on this thing now. Beat it, y'all. What's the score I'm going to? All right, y'all got it. You got it. All right, let's see. Fixed in the local preview, the lamp now has bright. All right, let's see. Man, what in the hell is going on, chat? So look, I'm not gonna call this a dud just because they can't get their lava lamp work going on. I guess it can't make lava lamps, but from a standpoint, I think it's gonna be able to do fairly well. All right, so this is the part of the video right here that was messed up. Well, it finally ended up working and got the lava going. So this is the third lava lamp. This is not the game. The game you will see also later on in the video, but this is just the straight up lava. So they were able to get this going. This is pretty good. Now the heat, I think the heat will make it rise faster. So it is finally working and is actually working pretty good. The heat down, I think that's when everything kind of falls or like at least not melts, I guess. Micro bubble field. Okay. Enabled device. So this is good. I like this. This is really good. And just from a standpoint of like UI for like a website or something, it's not bad. The font and everything, it isn't like the typical slop. I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. All right, guys. So it finally finished this game. I don't really know what the hell this game is. I just said make a lava lamp game, and it's like guide the molten wax into 12 wandering sparks. Move slowly to build the floor. It already beat the game, bro. It already beat the game. I didn't even do nothing. But it has a little bit of gravity to it, I guess. A little bit. If you move it to one side, you can see like, look, see it moves. So pretty cool. GPT, Soul. This is Ultra Lava Lamp game. Let me know if you want me to open source it. I'm just playing. Nah, this is nothing. But yeah. Me personally, though, right now, if you're going to go for a cloud model, I mean, just test both of them out. The only real issue is like Fable's going to be gone anyway pretty soon. And I think that you get more bang for your buck from OpenAI right now. And Anthropic, they just been doing a lot of weird stuff lately. You know, I hold on to it because I love Opus, but, you know, might have to go full Codex. Yeah. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all as always, man. I'll follow up and I'm gonna drop this actual game right here that you see on my Twitter account once it's done rendering, all right? Because I don't want to make you guys wait too damn long. Who knows how long? This thing is going on a damn journey. I probably about to use up all my usage letting this damn thing render out, man. I'm out, man. Peace.